So, good day, ma'am. So, today I will present my React activity number 5, which is the student directory application. So, this project will be created using a React functional components and the use state hook. And kanina application, ma'am, is to allow the user to register the student, to display the registered students, delete the student, and show the total number of the registered students. So first, in my app, the GSX, is I imported all the components such as the navbar, registration form, student list, counter, and footer. So I just updated my navbar registration form, my footer from my previous activity, and just added the student list count and the counter. And I used the state hook. Here, I use the state hook to store the students in an array. And I also created two functions, which is the add student and the delete student. So the add student for adding a new student to the list and to delete a student. So next is we have the registration form. So it contains three input fields, which is the student ID, name, and course. I also used useState here to manage the input values. When the add student button is clicked, the form checks if all fields are completed, and if it's not, it will shows the please complete all fields. It will return rather. And next is we have the student list here. This list component rather is responsible for displaying all registered students. So it used the map here. So it used the map function to display each student as a separate student card. And inside the student card is the student information that is displayed together with the delete button. And when the delete button is clicked, it will the selected student will be removed from the list using the filter function rather. So the counter is the component that displays the total number of the registered students by using student length, and the counter updates automatically whenever a student is added or deleted. And lastly is we have the app.css a CSS to style the application and make the interface clean and organized. So for the output, I will demonstrate the application. So first, I will enter a student ID and the student name and the course. I think. And after clicking Add Student, the student's information appears in the Registered Students section, and the total registered students counter also increases automatically. And if I click the delete button, the selected student is removed from the list and the counter decreases automatically too. There. And in this activity, ma'am, it helped me understand the use of React components, props, use state, event handling, list rendering using map, the filter function, and the controlled forms. And that would be all, ma'am. Thank you.